Hello, Sudoku friends. Back. Welcome back, guys. Uh, the second Sudoku. Yes, the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 23rd, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Yes, I've done the 2 stars. No, 3 stars. Then I will do the 4 stars and a tectonic. Because today there are only 6 puzzles, so half of them I will do. And the second one is a 4 star Sudoku number 3141. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four missing numbers in the third row. Two of those missing numbers are the 1 and 3. We have a 1 and 3 in this big square. So no 1 and a 3 in those two boxes. The 1 and the 3 goes in these two boxes, 1 and 3. Let me mark those two boxes. So what are the other two numbers in the third row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7, 8, and a 9. 7 and a 9 are missing. We see a 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the third row. So the row B3 in the second row. The only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Three missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left for the 2 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 and the 8 are missing. Alright, let me mark those two boxes. Okay. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Two numbers left now in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Two missing numbers now in this first row. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7. 3 and the 7 are missing. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Alright. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about the 3 in this column? 3 in the last column. So the column between. The only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 9 should be there. Okay, and then 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 9. How about the number? The number. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in those 3 boxes. The 4 can be here or there in the last row. We see there 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. Okay. Then 6, 6, 8, 2, 7, 2, 7, 6, 8, 2, 7. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 2 should be there. Yeah. In this big square, we have 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 3 boxes. So 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. Okay. 3 missing numbers. Well, actually 4. But one of the missing number in this column is a 2. We see there 2, so no 2 there. There 2, so no 2 here. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers now in this column. Those missing numbers are the 6 and the 8 and the 7. 6, 8, 7. 6, 8, 7. And look, we have a 6 and an 8 in the last row. So no 6 and an 8 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 7. The 6 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. Okay. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, the 5 and the 6 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and the 6 is missing again. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and 5. Okay. We have a pair. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see how, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 and a 4 in this row. So no 1 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 4. We see there 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 7 and a 5. That means 1 box left in this row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 8 is missing. Alright. Two missing numbers in this row. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. 3 and a 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 1 and a 5. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those two boxes. Alright. So now we have a 3 here, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. One box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. Yes, 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be a 6, and this box should be a 5. Yeah. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. Here 6, no 6 there. The only place for the 6 should be there. And all the 6's are used. I can see digit number 1, number 6. Alright. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 5. 1 and 5, and look, we have a 5 there, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. Now, 1 number left in this big square for the number 1. Okay. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see this is number 3, number 2. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, the 7 and 8. 7 and 8. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 9. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those again. Cannot fill this yet. 1 and a 5. How about these 2 numbers? Missing numbers in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. 6 and a 7. 5 and a 7. And look, we have a 7 there. So no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 5 here. So this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5. And this box should be a 7. 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there. So this box can't be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7. And this box should be an 8. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. It's a 1 star because I'm faster than 15 minutes. Alright, so how could that be? A 4-star Sudoku easier than the 3-star Sudoku and 4-star. Well, publisher sometimes, yeah, sometimes, I don't, I don't want to say sometimes I'm smart and sometimes I'm dumb, but really, I like this one. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Go below and you find the links. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the last puzzle. It will be a tectonic one. Tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.